Hey guys, it's Rochelle from Sephora, Hollywood and Highland. Today I will be showing you how to create this matte but glowy look. If you'd like to know how I created this look, keep watching. I have already done my eyes and my brows for this look today. I'm going to be using my Sephora Collection Beauty Amplifying Mattifying H2O Gel Primer. I really love this primer because it keeps me mattified throughout the day. Now I'm going to warm the primer in my hands and I'm going to gently press it into my skin. I find that pressing the primer into my skin works better than just rubbing it onto my skin. It keeps me mattified a lot longer. Now I'm going to be using my Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Long Wear Foundation in the color 460. I absolutely love this foundation. It's the perfect match for me and it's my favorite. So now I'm going to apply a little bit onto the back of my hand and I'm going to use my Sephora Collection brush in the number 56. And I'm just stippling on the product to give myself more coverage as well. My problem areas around my mouth and my chin area are a little bit darker than everywhere else, so I like to give a little bit more coverage in those areas. So I always bring my foundation down to my neck because it makes my foundation on my face more cohesive. I'm using the Tarte Creaseless Under Eye Concealer in the color Tan Sand. I feel this color is the perfect under eye brightening color for myself. I love this color because it gives me a really nice highlight underneath my eyes and wherever I really want to highlight, and this color is just perfect for me. So now I am using my Beauty Blender Pro to blend out my concealer because the Black Beauty Blender gives me a little bit more coverage because of how much more dense it is than the Pink Beauty Blender. Now I'm going to be using my Sephora Collection Amplifier Set and Refresh Spray. I like to spray this on a couple of times because it makes my foundation last longer. Now I'm going to set my under eye concealer with my Sephora Collection Bright Set Pressed Finishing Powder in the color Banana. I'm going to use my Sephora Collection brush in the number 59. I like to tap off the excess of the powder because I don't like to have it to look too cakey. I love this color because it brightens underneath my eyes and it just brightens my skin just right. So now I'm going in with my KEVYN AUCOIN contour powder in the color Deep. This is my favorite contour powder. So now I'm dipping my Sephora Collection brush number 74. I like to go in circular motions right up under my cheekbone just to make sure my contour is natural and seamless. So now that I'm looking forward, you can notice the difference in my skin. So now I'm going to contour my forehead just a little bit because I don't have a lot of hair in this area. So I like to kind of blend everything. Now I'm also contouring my jawline to define my jawline more as well. Now I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs Beauty Air Blush Soft Glow Duo in the color 500. I'm going to use a Sephora Collection brush 99. So I go back and forth to make sure I get the pigment that I want. Now I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo in the shade Girl Next Door and Chic Freak. Now I'm going to only use Chic Freak with my Sephora Collection brush number 98. I like to put the highlight on my cheekbones, up to my temple. I also like to highlight my brows. I also like to add it on the tip of my nose and my cupid's bow as well. Now I'm going to use Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the color Conceited, and I'm using the number 98 again. So I'm just kind of stippling the highlight onto the same spots that I put the Fenty by Rihanna highlight on, and it's just enhancing the highlighter I did before. I'm going in upward brush motions as well, and I'm applying it on the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my brow bone. Now I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer in the color Diamond Milk, and I absolutely love this color. Well guys, thank you for watching today. If you want to see more looks like this, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you later.